Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 20 websites that will pay you money whenever someone clicks on one of your links. This opportunity is available worldwide. If you are an African, no matter where you live, for example, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, or anywhere else in the continent, you can make money with these websites. Before we dive into this topic, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with family and friends. So first of all, let me explain what I mean. There are websites on the internet that will give you money whenever you shorten links and someone clicks on those links. For example, you copy a link of one of Mr. Beast's videos, then you paste it in one of these websites. They will create a new link for you so that you can share it, and whenever someone clicks on your link, you will get money from these websites. So the first website is shrinkearn.com. They have a high payout of $20 per 1,000 visits or 1,000 views. They have a referral program where you can earn 25% of anyone that you refer. They have a minimum payout of $5 and they pay through PayPal. The second website is called click.sh. They have a payout of $20 per 1,000 views and their payout limit is $5 and they also pay through PayPal. The third website is shrinkme.io. They have a payout of $220 for 10,000 views. They also have $1 as a sign-up bonus and they have a low minimum payout of $5. They pay through PayPal, Payeer, and Bitcoin. The next website is linksly.co. They have a high payout of $21 per 1,000 views and they have a low minimum payout of $3 and they pay through PayPal. The next website is shriftly.com and they have a high payout of $21 per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is $5 and they also have a referral program of 30%. They pay through PayPal, Paytm, and others. The next website is called catwin.com. They have a payout rate of 8.10 cents per 1,000 views. They have a referral program of 20% commission. The next website is called adshrink.com. It has a payout of 7.5 cents and they pay through PayPal and they have a minimum payout of $5. The next website is called ouo.io. They have a payout of $5 per 1,000 views. They have a minimum withdrawal payment of $5 and they pay through PayPal. The next website is called bc.vc. It has a payout of $15 per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is $10 and they pay through PayPal and Payoneer. The next website is called payskip.org. It has a high payout of $12 per 1,000 views. They have a minimum payout of $5. They pay through PayPal and they pay daily. The next website is called oak.io. They have a payout of $5 for 1,000 views. They have a minimum payout of $5 and a referral commission rate of 20%. They pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. The next website is called cpmlink.net. They have a payout of $4.1 per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is $5 and they pay through PayPal and Bitcoin. They pay daily and they have a referral earning of 10% commission rate. The next website is called click.pw. It has a low payout rate of $3 per 1,000 views. They have a minimum withdrawal of $1 and they have referral commission of 20%. They pay daily and they have payment options like Payoneer, PayPal, and Payza. The next website is called beanbags.com. They have a low payout of $1 per 1,000 views. The minimum withdrawal payment is $5 and they have a referral commission of 20%. They pay daily and they pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Payza. The next website is called dz4link.com. They have a payout of $2 per 1,000 views. The payment method is Payoneer, PayPal, and Bitcoin. The minimum payout is $1 and they pay daily. The next website is called spaced.com. They have a payout of only $1 per 1,000 views. They have a minimum payout of $5 and the payment is instant through PayPal and Payoneer. The next website is called adfork.us. It has a payout of $22.5 per 1,000 views. The minimum payout is $5. They have a 20% commission rate and you get paid monthly by PayPal. The next website is called short.am. They have a payout of $2.5 per 1,000 views. They have a minimum payout of $5 and they pay through PayPal and Payoneer. The last website is called shink.me. It has a payout of $5 per 1,000 views. You can remove your money when you reach $5 and you will be paid through PayPal. They have a referral earning of 20 20% commission rate. And that's it. Those are the 20 websites that will give you money whenever someone clicks on one of your links. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and share it with family and friends. And go ahead, watch my videos. For example, this one, 7 apps that will pay you money in Africa.